In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font color in iPhone Notes. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is using your iCloud to sync notes from Mac Notes app. So even though the Notes app is missing several formatting features on the iPhone and iPad, it is not the case with the Mac version of the app. So if you own a Mac, you can change the text color on the Mac version of the Notes app and then sync it with your iPhone. So first, you must enable iCloud for the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. So go to your settings, now tap on the iCloud banner. Now select the iCloud option and under apps using iCloud, tap on show all, so as you can see here in the photo. Now select the Notes app and turn on the toggle to enable iCloud sync. Now you need to enable iCloud sync for the Notes app on your Mac device. So on your Mac device, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner. Now go to System Preferences, right here. Now click on Apple ID, it's right here. Now click on the iCloud option. Now tick the box to select the Notes app. Now to change the font color on your Mac Notes app, select the note and highlight the text to change its color. Now right click on the highlighted text and press Ctrl and click on the highlighted text. Now go to fonts and click on show colors, as you can see. Now click on the color you want to apply from the palette. Now the color of the font will be changed to the preferred color option. Alternatively, press Shift plus Command plus C to access the Show Color option. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.